Hello everyone! Today we are introducing the Luminous Car Care Products Catalog. Designed with car care professionals and enthusiasts in mind, the new 2025 catalog is a comprehensive guide to Luminous's premium product lineup. From high-concentrated cleaning chemicals to advanced paint protection films, the 2025 catalog showcases everything you need for vehicle maintenance and protection. Find all the detailed product specifications, features, and availability at your fingertips. With easy navigation and clear information, choosing the right solutions has never been easier. At Luminous, we understand the demands of professionals in the automotive detailing industry. That's why our products are engineered for superior performance and reliability. Each product is meticulously crafted through in-depth research and designed to meet the highest standards of innovation and quality. This catalog is more than just a product list. It's a valuable resource that you'll keep on hand for years to come. Our new 2025 Car Care Products Catalog is an essential tool for making informed purchasing decisions, providing everything our customers need in one place. With our continued dedication to excellence, Luminous is committed to supporting automotive professionals worldwide with the products and resources they need to succeed. Visit our website at www.luminous-me.com and download your copy of the 2025 Car Care Products Catalog today and enhance your automotive care experience. Luminous, your trusted partner in premium automotive care.